guys, welcome back to the channel. We are currently doing a mini-series about the Turkey Day. So I will help you make a fabulous Turkey Day feast for your family and friends. So this is episode 3 and today we are doing a homemade fantastic cranberry sauce. Let's wash those cranberries. First, we need to make a caramel, so put 1 cup of white sugar into a saucepan and at medium high heat until it dissolves into a nice caramel. Once you achieve the desired texture, put 1 to 3 star anise. This is very powerful, so put this at your taste. And add 1 stick of cinnamon and before rub it in your hand to release the flavor. Now it's time to put the fortified wine. You can use Porto, this is an obvious choice. Here I'm using cassis wine because this is what I had in my hand right now. The key here is to add just a little bit of wine at the time because your wine will be at room temperature, and if you add too much to the hot caramel, your caramel will become a solid mass. Once it's nice and bubbly, it's time to add the cranberries. In your head, in your head. Why am I singing that song now? I am sorry for that. Now add the zest of 1 orange and also the juice of that orange. Now cook those delicious cranberries on medium heat for about 20 minutes and don't forget to remove the cinnamon stick and the star anise unless you like it crunchy. It's beautiful. Alright guys, this is it. It looks amazing. Texture is good. So let's try this. Woo! It's very good. Alright guys, I strongly suggest that you try this at home. If you like this episode, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.